We're in Stratford-Upon-Avon, the home of Shakespeare. We're going to be showing you around and teaching you some English along the way.
God, Laura! Laura!
You said don't touch it!
Push.
Right, push off against that.
Oh, Christ alive!
And we're also going to be teaching you some of the words and idioms that Shakespeare actually invented. You'll notice that Shakespeare does a lot of heavy lifting in Stratford-Upon-Avon. He is the guy here. Every shop has like a picture of Shakespeare outside. The pubs are called things like the Bard. It is like Shakespeare Disneyland here, really, which, fair play, he was very influential. And right over there is the Royal Shakespeare Company. Let's go have a look. So this is the RSC, which stands for the Royal Shakespeare Company, and it's the theatre where you can see a lot of Shakespeare plays, and they do really interesting adaptations of them. It's not just the standard adaptation. I tried to steer the boat and I was absolutely awful. Like, couldn't even, like, my brain just doesn't work like that. I have no spatial awareness. I can't get my head around, go this direction. I just can't do it.
I think when you had a go last time, we went in the bushes. Do you remember that?
Yeah, we should be fine. There we go. If we just keep a straight course.
We're not, we're going, that way.
I'm on it. Don't worry.
Christ. Laura!
Okay, I'm trying.
Laura! What are you doing?
We're the wrong way.
It's the wrong way. Laura! Oh right. My God!
No, I'm fine. I'm doing it now. I'm doing it now. Just steer just that way.
No, we have to go back now.
I'm crying.
Right.
We've been trying for about 10 minutes to get through this bridge. The guy from the boat place is watching us.
We're okay. Oh God, he's laughing. Right.
There you go.
Oh, but we're going through the wrong one.
No. Oh yeah, sorry. This is all we could do. We're going through the no entry one.
Oh, forget it. Oh, my God. Oh, no, there's a goat. Oh, no, they're coming with a boat, Laura. They're coming with a boat. We're okay. Oh, God.
They're coming to help us through the bridge. So we got through the bridge because that man pushed us.
Gave us a hand.
He gave us a hand and he basically just pushed us through the bridge. It's really hard. But he said the wind conditions are really hard. He said it's very windy today, so it's making it much more difficult. So that's the excuse I'm going for. Well, it's safe to say I don't think we're very good at boating. I don't think it's our bag. Do you know what I found difficult? I found difficult to do, like, when we were just going straight, I could do this, that's absolutely fine. But when we had to turn, I'd like focus on my right hand and then my left hand would just kind of, the rudder would just be in the water. You've always been a bit rubbish with your left side, haven't you, actually?
I have. No, genuinely. This left hand.
Okay, so we're by a statue of Hamlet. So let's learn an idiom that Shakespeare created that you can hear in Hamlet. My own flesh and blood. If someone is your own flesh and blood, they are related to you. So you might hear someone say, I can't betray my own flesh and blood. I can't betray my family.
Here's another one from Hamlet. In my heart of hearts. And this idiom is a way of exaggerating how you truly feel in your heart of hearts. I know in my heart of hearts I shouldn't do this, but I'm gonna do it anyway.
Why is he stood like that?
Can hear some geese over there, which reminds me of another Shakespeare idiom, a wild goose chase. If you're on a wild goose chase, you are foolishly pursuing something that is hard to get. The telltale sign that this is a Tudor building is these thick wooden beams here.
So now we're going to pay the Holy Trinity Church a visit because inside there is something very, very interesting. So let's have a look. I think this is William Shakespeare's will, and it's almost illegible really, because English is so different now and the writing was so different, you can barely make out what it's trying to say. I think that's his signature there.
Like I was just there then, I was thinking like, I'm less than 10 metres away from William Shakespeare right now.
From the very hands that wrote the idioms that we're teaching people today, that people actually use.
He was like right there.
Yeah.
And like he really lived his life and was really buried there. And then 500, 600, 700 years later, here we are.
With this camera and
just like filming it and I'm stood right there.
Yeah.
And it really helps you to connect with history, I think.
Yeah.
Like Shakespeare, he's almost like a character now, isn't he? In a strange way.
Yeah, like Santa Claus.
Yeah, just like, Shakespeare.
Well, he's kind of omnipresent still in everyday life because we always reference him. There's always some kind of word that we say that he invented. He's just always around. It's not like someone who lived in the past and died, whatever. It is like Santa Claus. It's kind of like
you know people say like you die twice. You die when the day you stop living and the day that somebody says your name for the last time.
That'll never
Shakespeare
happen,
will never die, will he?
No. These flowers are beautiful, but they might attract some bees. Speaking of bees, here's a good idiom that Shakespeare invented. The be-all and end-all. The be-all and end-all is the most important or crucial part of something. It is the all-important goal. When Bez's football team loses, I have to remind him that football is not the be-all and end-all.
These houses were built in the 1500s. That is mental.
So we just walked past the site of Shakespeare's family home, so where he lived with his family, and I asked the man, I said, how much are tickets? And he said, £27. And I said, each? And he said, yeah. So that's a little bit pricey, I feel. 27 each, because if that's two of you, that's like nearly £60 to go inside the building. But if that's important to you, go for it. But I believe you can still see the outside of Shakespeare's birthplace without having to pay. So you can still see where he was born for free. But yeah, 27 I thought was quite a lot. I'm flagging a little bit. I'm flagging. So I could do with a matcha. If you've watched my videos before, I always grab a matcha and I can see a Starbucks. Right, cross the road, don't get hit by a car. Let's get a matcha. I'm feeling quite tired today, so here's a good idiom that Shakespeare invented: to not sleep a wink. Oh, I haven't slept a wink. I didn't sleep a wink. It just means you didn't sleep at all. behind us is William Shakespeare's birthplace. Like I said, you don't need to pay to look at it because it's just on the high street. It's
which is very strange.
Yeah,
it's very strange. It's just kind of here opposite a Christmas shop, weirdly.
Well, I think in lots of towns in the UK, the town is built around the church, but I feel like this street has maybe become really popular and prominent because of
that's true.
the
That's
birthplace being here. But you don't need to pay to look at it. You can just look at it, but you do need to pay to go in. So because I'm in front of Shakespeare's house, it's only right that we learn another idiom that Shakespeare created. Eaten out of house and home. If you say, oh, he will eat me out of house and home, it means he's going to eat all my food. So he's going to come to my house, eat everything I have, and I will have to spend lots of money because he's eating all my food.
Considering having a burger for my dinner, but all of the burgers have pickles in them. Shakespeare made that, didn't he? Mm-hmm. Yeah, he did, yeah. If you're in a pickle, it means that you're in a difficult situation. Imagine like you need a taxi to get home, but you haven't got any money. You're in a pickle.
Ooh, thinking about ice cream has reminded me of another idiom that Shakespeare created, to break the ice. It means to dissolve a tense situation. Maybe you've met someone new and you're a little bit awkward together, you don't know what to talk about, but then you make a joke or you say something that relieves the tension. It breaks the ice, you feel comfortable around each other. I want an ice cream. That is what I'm talking about. We're both not very good with dairy, so we have to have vegan ice cream. And there was a shop that had vegan ice cream.
Which was very nice.
And I've got Biscoff sauce on it.
And I've got raspberry sauce.
That's the thing about Britain. It only needs to be about 10 degrees. And if the sun is out, people will be eating ice cream. Bez can't bite ice cream because he's got sensitive teeth, but I can.
Is there anything I can do? If I bite.
No, don't put yourself through that. Don't. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe.
And you can find all of our amazing courses over on our website, smashingenglish.com.
And if you are a member, you will receive a PDF for every video. And in this video, you'll get a PDF with all of the idioms that we taught you and more idioms that Shakespeare created. So click the join button to become a member.
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Ta-da!